Hi everyone, in today's video, we will discover the Ayurvedic view on eating curd at night. We'll talk about when and how to eat curd properly, what benefits you can expect, and most importantly, what precautions you need to take. So, make sure to watch till the end for all the important insights. Let's talk about why curd is so popular in Ayurveda and how it benefits the body. First off, curd is a rich source of probiotics, which promote healthy gut bacteria. This is great for digestion, boosts immunity, and can even improve skin health. Curd is also packed with calcium, which is essential for strong bones. It also has cooling properties, making it a go-to food in hot weather. So, how should you consume curd for maximum benefit? Ayurveda suggests eating fresh curd, not sour curd, as sourness can increase kapha, dosh, causing mucus and congestion. If you want to eat curd in the evening or night, make sure it's in moderation and mixed with warming spices like black pepper or cumin. These spices help balance the cooling effect of curd and support digestion. You can have a small bowl of curd with your meal, or if you prefer, use it as a side dish with foods that are rich in spices. If you find it difficult to digest curd at night, try having it as part of your breakfast or lunch. When eating curd at night, it's essential to keep a few precautions in mind. First, moderation is crucial. Too much curd can upset your digestion. Always use fresh curd, as sour curd can lead to mucus buildup and discomfort. Pair curd with light, easily digestible meals instead of heavy, oily foods for better results. If you notice bloating or discomfort after eating curd at night, it might be best to avoid it altogether. To support digestion, mix warming spices like black pepper or cumin into your curd. These small adjustments can ensure you enjoy curd without compromising your health. While curd can be beneficial for most people, there are some exceptions. If you have sinus problems or a history of excess mucus production, it's best to avoid eating curd at night. Additionally, those with weak digestion might find curd too heavy in the evening. Ayurveda suggests that people with a kapha constitution should be cautious about eating curd at night, as it could increase their kapha, leading to congestion and discomfort. So, what is the best time to eat curd? According to Ayurveda, the morning or afternoon is ideal. At this time, your digestive fire, or Agni, is strongest, and your body can break down the curd easily. You can enjoy it as part of a meal or as a snack. Remember to keep it fresh and balance it with spices to avoid the cooling effect. According to Ayurveda, curd is known to have cooling properties. While it's a great source of probiotics and helps in digestion, it's best not to eat it late at night. This is because curd, being heavy, can slow down the digestion process, which is already slowing down in the evening. Ayurveda suggests that heavy foods should be consumed earlier in the day when your digestion is stronger. Eating curd at night might lead to mucus production, which can disrupt your sleep and cause discomfort. In conclusion, curd can be a great addition to your diet, but eating it at night requires some caution. It's best consumed earlier in the day when your digestion is stronger. If you do choose to have it at night, make sure to eat it in moderation and pair it with warming spices to balance its cooling properties. In today's video, we learned that while curd is highly beneficial, it's best to avoid it at night as it can be heavy on digestion. Always opt for fresh curd and steer clear of sour curd to keep your gut happy. Pairing curd with warming spices like cumin or black pepper can enhance its benefits and aid digestion. Those with excess mucus, sinus issues, or weak digestion should be cautious about consuming curd. For maximum benefits, enjoy curd in the morning or afternoon when your digestive fire is strongest. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of when and how to enjoy curd for the best health benefits. Remember, balancing curd with the right spices and eating it at the right time can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the other videos on health tips and Ayurvedic remedies. Feel free to share this with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. See you in the next video with more tips for a healthier lifestyle.